TNET means a shared belief, and touchstone denotes a test of authenticity. According to the passage, Steve gave something against what Trump addressed, as we can see in the line, as so far every Republican idea to replace the Affordable Care Act would reduce the number of Americans covered, despite promises to the contrary. So, choice B and C are unfit for the blank. Though epitome, prowess, and rebuttal, all three are relevant to the blank, having meanings of a brief, of a whole, ability, and a statement which says that something is not true respectively. In the light of the above passage, the meaning of the rebuttal is more fit than the other relevant choices of A and D. So we can eliminate choice A and D and accept choice E as the correct answer. So the correct answer is choice E.